Man. Yeah, man. Lonesome here, man. Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, here this now. Two topic I talk about right now, you know. Two serious topic, you know. Me say yesterday, I watched something. A matter of fact, I watched something from yesterday. This morning too, I watched it back on, you know. On the internet where the police they make a big bus. Make a find a few guns and X amount of ammunitions and thing, you know, like a wharf and thing, and you know, the police commissioner, you know, applaud the police to the big boss. But let me tell you something now, my advice to the police them still, you see me I say, if you have a bus like that, and the first time I have a bus like this, because from 2015 to 2017 go and get the gun, the police them get over 1,000 gun. Over 1,000 gun, you know. From St. James come right back. I think we have the figures on the show, you know. Over 1,000 gun. Yeah? And then get more than 13,000 gun ammunition, which is a good thing that, you know, come out for the road. But my advice to the police then, if you go and you get so much rifle and so much gun and them thing there, when we start the more undercover work, at the same time we just applaud and then show, then we don't have nobody arrest. More than one time, when we get gun bus like this, our half. But nobody no get old for these things. That's why Jamaica can better, that's why Jamaica can change. Because what you do, make the shipment reach the way it reach. Where you do dismantle the gun and move the gun then, put something else in place. Smart. Yeah? Make the thing clear and put a surveillance on it and follow it, make it go deliver. Where it for go. And you catch who for hold it. You understand? But not because they might put some wrong address where it for go. And I don't know that, but you know that somebody will come for it if it go through. Yeah? Somebody else will come and clear it. So you shouldn't run media and I give media and I show so who not roll for this. And the first you get them kind of boss and them thing there, I not applaud the police to that. That's not intelligence of work, man. That's a giveaway thing, man. You never stop them thing, man. Work intelligent more than that, man. If you read the island of crime, man, better than that, man. You see what I say? You bet the shipment, so if it's a trailer or come in or a package come in with it, you remove and stuff it back with something and make it go along the way. Make who come pick it up, go and pick it up and wait for go deliver, it go deliver. You understand? But in a secure environment, that means you do it like foreign policeman, that means it go wait for go the destination. So if it even go empty lot, somebody will come pick it up because it reached there. You see what I say? So you must catch the culprits. You see what I say? And that'll be a better thing. You understand? But not for us come, when you take it off and say, yeah. And some man say, well, to the boss. But you don't catch nobody. When you do it a couple of years before, when you do it years before, and you continue to do the same thing. And so when you fight crime, man, come on, man. We can do a better job than that, man. You know, and Quayla say, yes, and I applaud the police. Number one, the media shouldn't get that. It should have just go pan the way, same way. When you remove the gun, then move the thing, them make the thing them go. When you paint up something and shape it out same way, this man could the gun them that them can't fire, make the man them feet a real thing them up same way. And it'll go. That means them open the box, them see something like wow, are the real thing, and it'll go same way. And put a real surveillance and trail on it. And I saw when get the people them behind the one of them gun there. And next thing in Jamaica, where you see man kill a baby and woman and them thing there, where the police them now realize say we make a big mistake in Jamaica when the Asian them come across and we give them enough house and enough things. Them now in return, because Asian them from 18 them not easy, them kill everything in all ants, you know. That's why you see them the boy that kill our Captain Barky there, is a Asian. See them kill all ants, anything, fly, anything. Them man they don't have the art, and I tell you this, them man they are Jamaica blend in now, because them did get house from government and house from this and that, and then you have some other man who are work with Asian, where Asian are come in our community, and the girl, them take them up and have picnic for them and all kind of thing. Them think they for stop them man, they wicked, them not have the art, and them blending in our society. So you see them blending in a gang, when them a move to come doing it, they could kill him, it come like them a train back Jamaican over again, man. That's why I say they could pick me up dead and everything, them just kill off and wipe off everything. You never hear police come with them statistics there, no. Like them don't know these things, man. Enough Asian down there. You see the guy where they out of the quarry there. out of East Kingston there. It's a Asian. The soldiers them line up and knock way. You know, see Asian the shooting and them thing the two man in Jamaica, man. That's why I see it going so wicked to man. You understand? When if it start investigate them thing, them and know say, well, yeah, straighten up. You understand? Them thing they straighten up. You understand? Yeah, man. Plug it in, man. We know say, go back to one and go down in. We know say that one go down. It's alright now. Material, it's alright.
Yeah, come up closer, Daddy.
Alright. Come on. Yeah, see me.
Flick on the light.
You see him?
Yeah,
alright,
yeah,
you can see me now. Yeah, see? So, we know say Asian and them people they involved, and we know say them not have no art and them thing there. So the man them get smart to man, and the man them start because them have Asian community down there. Because enough of them that come there, and the government number send them back them to house them, and then them integrate them in the Jamaican population and thing, and them a friend will come over to, and that's why I see so much different thing are going on in Jamaica now. You understand? They shouldn't even go on in Jamaica. And you never hear a man say about that, oh, Jamaica get so wicked. You know, see, them are running down like 80. Got enough Asian in there to man, enough Asian there, enough gang down there to man. And I do enough things. So when them come, they don't know nobody. 80 then come from, then kill everything. And then join up in enough gang. And I think enough man, for them can I kill them too, for them can I wear. And them have head and all kind of things. Like they love them food and love certain things. You know, if you're smart, man. See? Yeah, man. So that I might take. Anytime when I get a big gun busting and ammunition fine, when if you have a controlling fireman, make the thing, hey, make the thing go and reach its destination. I want to hold on before I run go to the news and highlight what everybody's can't talk. We not hold nobody. We just not going to hold nobody at all. You understand? Because I know one time when I get a bus and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 5 time, and I so want to deal with things, man. Come on, man. Smarter than that, man. You see me I say? You understand? Just stop rolling and just bloop. I'm going to go to media. Oh, we'll find this. Remember, go and get the gun initiative. Over 1,000 gun and I get. Over 1,000 gun. From 2015 to 2017. Statistics show you. And we can go and run down from which part right down on the get them. You understand? Over 13,000 ammunition. You understand? So that's a good initiative. See? But this, I want to get a bus like this. We should get some people. We should hold some people right now. You understand? If we know that smart, we know run to the media and put. Boy, I mean, I know. Boy, I want to different do a police do. Because we don't go by here, so we don't do investigation, man. We don't work intelligent. We're not intelligent driven, man. We're not intelligent. We don't work, man, as policeman. We just do what I do. If a man say, oh, I find them, and then the man say, oh, I applaud them because them find them gun now. Come on. Who not arrested for them, man? You see what I say? If you not arrest nobody, that means you might have bust one shipment. You would man them might have do. They might have do it like when you watch a documentary and watch how them drugs man the work, them send out 10 different shipments one time. So when you bust one, we look 9 gone through. When you smart. You understand? No joke thing when you smart. Yeah, man. Alright, so we just leave off of that now, just give the police them little advice, see? Alright, we can leave off of that now and then go up and they. So, yeah, man. Review. Let me tell you this. I'm not joke me I make. Yeah? It might have sound away, but a reality me attack. Spice, although she will have a little, but let me tell you, for performer and deliverance, she better than do for them new artists I want to say I want with them things. Different from fear little rancher tune them. Because, a woman, but how she talks, come up. Like some of the artists with her next back up. Like a man that, and I say, me know, and next man, she fear her voice, and you can see that she work out because she have flick and move. You hear her voice steady, and you hear her deliverance steady. Someone a DJ, and them a sing, and them say, somebody else have a mic if you say something for them. Them a grumble in a year. She's a woman, and I'm not lie. She more clarity, she better than enough of them. Right now, better than enough of them right now, male DJ them. Spice. Because you know so we talk straight. You understand? Even from our thing, them are writing them. But just listen to deliverance and watch her deliverance how she work. She work on stage. You see me I say? You understand? And that's just the truth, because we just talk straight, You understand? The woman make the man them look shame. Because the one of them when them go up there and them And them are, you can't hear what some of them are say. And then them carry this bag of man as the one man. Them up, I don't know what them get paid for. Because first time when man I work, man I do them tune. Whether Papa San, whether Stitchy, whether Merciless, whether The Killer, whether who, whether Beanie Man, them are performer. You understand? Them get them, they deliver them thing. See? Them man go just make up one bag of knives and you know, hear what them say. That don't make no sense. Spice better than them. And none of the joke me I make. You understand? So we just start the truth. The woman, Spice, the female, they don't more take it to them. They nowadays artists them. They nowadays when them say artists right now. Yeah? Spice work better than them. Enough time, by far. You understand? You can go look back on it and watch Spice and watch them and just listen to the deliverance. I not talk no bogus forward and a bogus here. I talk about performance. You see me I say? Spice, you take it to them. And it's a shame. You see me I say? Because enough you them just go and just pack up the thing now, like, you know, like what the rapper them that come with them a rap and them a have a man they say with a mic. If you say, hey, you mean say me, I say, see, what that? What is?
Spice rap sick.
You understand? Spice better than them. Spice a fear vice that.
Care about the government.
You understand? Yeah. That a good tune too, good delivery. The one with the $8 million. Spice, yeah. Thumbs up. Yeah, 2 thumbs up. Zane, straight up. You understand? Yeah. That straight thing. Things like this will for putting a tune and burn out. You understand? I stand up for our country. You understand? But I deliver it solid. Solid. You understand? You see me I say? Because she perform and she's a stage performer. So she command the stage. Oh, you see me I say? The rest of them are pianize them I make. We don't care who want to close the show or who want to do a pianize them I make. Be nice. What means say be nice? You understand? So, you know, so tonight, the better night still, if you have sister, them and certain man, better thing. You see me I say? But when we see that's a joke. You see me I say? Them that joke. You understand? You know why I joke? Because like them never really work on sound system or work out certain way, you know, it's like some, you know, them act some out of the studio, so when you put them on a stage now for go deliver, a man not deliver. A man don't go say, over here, so jump up and wheel. And I call it saying of them music that them do them thing, man. Come on now, you don't have to beg the crowd, you go and you go chat and crowd a bus. You see me I say? No, you have to beg the crowd for bus. Or you give crowd a t-shirt and them thing. Come on, man. The woman, she pull it out.
She sing and stop and the crowd does mash up.
Yeah, and when she do it on a professional level, just look how she perform. Yeah, she sing about where some man say them nah do, and then she stop same way, same thing that's the professor not do, stitch them do. From way back, same thing where she do, she have her work black man. And her work now leave her always, you see her all over the place, she command the stage. Spice mash up the place, and nobody now, when them are right, them foolishness. It never works out to me, because she make the whole of them as man look shame. They look bad. First time man that demand the stage and thing. The whole of them, you know, what is? What is? And this music on to man? I joke this. You understand? She know you hear her delivery very clear. No, I see you something, you know, very clear. The key what she do, you are clear, and you know, you have voice. Yeah, you have voice, and she know, load that. And she angle her stage like any man. Like back in the 80s, back in the 90s. That's just Spice an angle stage. We are real, like a real veteran. You see me I say? So we have to give her a thumbs up. You know, we give her 2 thumbs up, and we would have 2 more. You know, 2 alone we have. So we get the 2 oh,
with my crusty tongue.
See between a year and up there. You see me as a Spice? Are you we say this? Yeah? I know we just talk straight. You understand? It make the man them look shame. A time for them go back to the drawing board and stop talking about this kind of. And the same thing, you know. Or them did catch the papa hype him, and then you know you're nothing else about him and all. And for them youth, them now go to no drawing board and you put them for a perform a joke. A joke. Spice make them look like joke and Spice a female. Female more than look more sit down and watch and try a little thing. Spice make them look shame. You see me I say? No care who them want big up and go say and all the paper want to write say. Let me tell you, go watch it back when you watch back the thing you say Spice stand up predominant. Yeah? Yeah man. Lonesome. We talk it as is here, we're there. Alright? We are up.